Wait, don't skip this video. I ordered this scalp massager from Meesho and honestly, I did not expect this quality at this price. So first, let's talk about the packaging. It's very simple, but the product came properly packed and without any damage. After opening the box, this is what you get. You receive this silicone scalp massager along with this bottle, and the design actually looks pretty good. The bristles are made of soft silicone and are very flexible. They feel gentle on the scalp and don't hurt or pull the hair at all. You can easily use this while applying hair oil or even while shampooing. It feels relaxing and helps improve blood circulation on the scalp. For such a budget-friendly product, the quality is really impressive. So yes, this scalp massager is definitely worth buying. Follow for more honest Meesho product reviews.